Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel, and this week we get to take a tour of the amazing Royal Hawaiian Resort, a Marriott Luxury Collection resort right on Waikiki Beach in Honolulu, Hawaii. It's an amazing resort with gorgeous views of Diamond Head, so when you're ready to book your next Hawaiian vacation, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and sign up for our free Adventure Club emails on our website. The Royal Hawaiian Resort really is an amazingly peaceful oasis right in the middle of the hustle and bustle of Waikiki Beach. This is the Coconut Grove lawn. You can see it's a beautiful lawn with amazing landscaping. You can see the folks there getting ready for a yoga class. And the hotel was the second hotel to open in Waikiki Beach, also known as the Pink Palace of the Pacific because of the color of the hotel. You can see this beautiful view of the entryway to the Royal Hawaiian Hotel. It opened in 1927 and was the second hotel built on Waikiki Beach. As we enter the hotel, you can see it's all beautifully decorated and open air. This is the Coconut Lanai. It's a beautiful space to just sit and relax and get some fresh air. As you enter the lobby, they have this amazing historic map of the Hawaiian Islands and these beautiful chairs and lovely chandeliers. These are the elevators for the historic wing of the hotel, and they have these gorgeous flower arrangements all over the hotel. As you continue out through that entryway, this is the other side of the hotel. Kind of the back side of the hotel next to the Sheraton Waikiki, and this is the porte cochere where you can come in with your car and unload your luggage and so on. And coming back into the lobby, you can see that amazing flower arrangement right in the center of the lobby, and two additional arrangements on either side. So just a gorgeously decorated lobby, very opulent and tastefully decorated, lots of stores and beautiful furnishings. You have concierge desks here on the right side, just you can see right there, and the reception desks on the other side of the lobby. They have more gorgeous Hawaiian artwork on the walls and beautiful decorations, and I love how the Royal Hawaiian Hotel is open air. It's just an amazing feature of this beautiful hotel. This is the other side of the Coconut Lanai, and you can see some folks there taking care of the hotel. They are constantly cleaning and maintaining the hotel. It's in impeccable condition, just amazingly cared for. And this is the other side of the main lobby, coming down to the left of the main reception desks, and you can see more stores with all sorts of shopping opportunities and more seating areas, lovely furnishings. And right now we're heading toward the beach. So away from the main part of the lobby toward the beach. And here on the left side you can see the breezeway which heads over to the Mailani Tower, which we'll look at more in a few minutes. You can see another team member there cleaning the hotel. And this is the lower lobby, another gorgeous space that's beautifully decorated and peaceful and open and spacious with all kinds of lovely furnishings and these gorgeous flower arrangements. The hotel really is just beautifully done, and Jackie and I got to stay there once, which was amazing. Now we're coming into the Ocean Lanai, or Ocean Patio, and you can see they have these wonderful rocking chairs here that you can enjoy and get some fresh air and relax with this amazing view of the ocean lawn and the gorgeous sapphire blue water of the Pacific Ocean in the background. They have all sorts of functions on this lawn, including weddings and other celebrations. Heading to the left, you can see the tiki torches, which are lit at night. And as we continue to the left, you can see the pink umbrellas of the Mai Tai Bar, which is a really fun bar right on Waikiki Beach with gorgeous views of Diamond Head and the Pacific Ocean. As a guest here, you also have privileges with all the other Marriott resorts in Waikiki, including the Moana Surfrider and the Sheraton Waikiki. This is a view of the inside of Azure Restaurant, which is their fine dining restaurant right on the beach with amazing views of Diamond Head and friendly employees. So this is the other side of the Mai Tai Bar and the Royal Hawaiian's private beach with amazing views of Diamond Head in the background. The Royal Hawaiian is one of only two hotels that has their own private stretch of the beach. The Moana Surfrider is the other one. So you have private beach with lounge chairs and towels and food and beverage service. Coming back into the hotel, you have another part of the Ocean Lanai with lovely quiet seating area to do some work or read a book and get some peace and quiet. more of the amazing furnishings in the lower lobby of the Royal Hawaiian and more shops to enjoy. You can see that the resort is just beautifully decorated and amazingly spacious, and it really is peaceful and quiet. It's an oasis in all the activity of Waikiki, and they have 14 acres of land, which helps them maintain the peace and serenity of the resort. Now we're headed down the breezeway toward the Mailani Tower, and they have this wonderful sand sculpture which commemorates the use of the Royal Hawaiian Hotel by the U.S. Navy submarine force during World War II for rest and recreation between missions. So just a wonderful historical reminder of the role that the resort played during World War II. As we continue down the breezeway, you can see it's just another wonderful open air space with more shopping opportunities along the way and beautiful views of the lush landscaping and the Coconut Grove lawn again on our left. They just do an amazing job with the grounds, and the grounds are separated from Kalakaua Boulevard by the Royal Hawaiian Shopping Center. So it's another barrier which gives them additional peace and quiet. There was a poster for their own luau that they have on site. They have a spa on the premises as well. So definitely a full service resort with everything that you could want on your amazing Hawaiian vacation, and impeccable service as well. Here's another stairway that takes you down into the Coconut Grove lawn, so you can enjoy the lawn or head off to other parts of Waikiki. Now we're coming into the Mailani Tower, which is on our left, and you can see folks enjoying the lobby there. The Mailani Tower also has its own private lounge, which is only for guests in the tower. You can see that it's a beautiful area with lots of seating and beautifully decorated, very peaceful and quiet, so you can come down here and enjoy a book or play some games or do some work and enjoy the lovely views of the pool and the Pacific Ocean in the background. This is the Mailani pool just below the lounge, and it's just a beautiful pool with all the iconic pink umbrellas since it's the Pink Palace of the Pacific, and lots of lounge chairs and cabanas there on the right that you can rent. There's also cabanas on the left as well. The pool is a little small, but the Royal Hawaiian Hotel really is all about the beach, because they have this lovely stretch of private beach right on Waikiki in the amazing water of the Pacific Ocean. So when you're ready to book your next amazing trip to Hawaii, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. Thanks.